Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. As eBay users, we sometimes would like to order again a specific product that we have liked, but we consumed it and we'd like to order again, or basically we would like more of it so we can have it as a backup. In this case, you will need to search for it. Maybe you will not find it during in your web browser history, and you might search for it right here, but you will not be finding the same seller with the same prices and the same quantity that you are looking for. So in that case, you will need kind of to go back to a payment history to find the specific or purchase history to find the specific order to buy it again or do whatever you want with it. So let me show you how. First, click on my eBay, and then this page should be open for you. Here you will find the this activity which will give you purchases. So click on purchases, and here as you can see you will find this page. This page you will find every single purchase that has been going through your account. So you'll find everything that you have ordered, bought, or did anything without it. Now, what if you want something more specific? Then we could click on selling. Then I'm going to click on sold. And then as you can see, the platform has been changed a little bit. The menu has been changed. So here we have buying, but instead of purchases. But here we have purchase history, which is directly gonna take us to the history, which is the same thing. So we are going to be on the same thing. Here, for example, I'm going to search for all purchases. Um, I'm going to search for shipped, and this will give me only the orders that I have bought and they are actually shipped to me, so we can filter them even more. And yeah, this is pretty simple, guys. As you have seen, just like few steps and you will be right on it. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.